Welcome back to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. Well, when we are pregnant, we are craving. कुछ चटपटा खाने का मन करता है, कुछ exciting खाने का मन होता है, but we stop ourselves, A, because it's unhealthy, B, because we can't indulge always, can we? Of course not. You can indulge, and that's why I'm here with some really fun, exciting recipes that have also been made healthy. You want to have pakoras? Come, let's have them. So to make these, I am going to take about 1/4 cup of besan and add it to my beetroot that I have already grated and kept. I need half a cup of besan for my grated carrot, and I will use one more bowl for my spinach pakora. So उसके लिए मैं half a cup बेसन ले लूँगी. अब same ingredients जाएंगे सभी पकौड़ों के mixture में. Little bit of ginger garlic paste, chopped dhania, some green chilies which is completely optional, some salt to taste, and again if you want you can add some red chili powder. This is again totally optional. And now with the help of some water I am going to make all these 3 batters, but be careful, you need 3 different spoons because you don't want to mix the colors, right? यहाँ पे मैंने already ही तेल रख दिया है गरम होने के लिए. Now beetroot is a very essential vegetable for you, whether you're pregnant or not. A great source of iron, super good for your blood purification, reduces your blood sugar level, so you cannot delete this from your diet, right? और अगर उसे पकोड़े में मिला दे तो सोने पे सुहागा, right? So here my carrot and beetroot batter are ready, and here I'm going to make my plain batter. Alright, तो चलिए ये मेरे सारे बैटर्स तैयार हो गए हैं. अब यहाँ I have a plate with absorbent paper जिसमें मैं ये सारे पकौड़ों को निकालूंगी. So let's begin first with our beetroot pakoras. So just when you're frying something that is so wet, थोड़ा सा अगर आप अपनी कढ़ाई को हिलाएंगे ना, it will not stick to the bottom of the कढ़ाई. So very gently move it, but be careful. See how beautiful these pakoras look. Look at the color. बस just in a few seconds these will be done. इन्हें मैं निकाल दूंगी अपने absorbent paper पे. Don't overcook these because you don't want that beautiful color to go. And now I'm going to start frying my orange pakoras. Yummy and healthy, full of vitamin C and vitamin A, particularly carrots. Alright, चलिए ये मेरे orange पकौड़े ready हो गए हैं. Well, regular पकौड़े भी इसी color के होते हैं, लेकिन इनका ये texture नहीं होता, which has come with my grated carrots. So there is some difference. And now, finally, time for my spinach pakoras. I'm going to take these whole spinach leaves, lightly coat them with the batter and fry them. If you want, you can also make a puree of it, but it just leads to too much moisture, and I like this crunchy feel that you get with these spinach leaves. Okay, super. Now just take these out. Okay, and here you go. You have your perfect evening snack, which is also healthy, ready for you. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, please like and share it with all your friends, especially your pregnant friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond, because I'll keep coming up with exciting recipes just for you. See you.